Is it die of, die from, die by, die in? When to use a particular preposition after the word die? So today's session will clear all your doubts regarding this. Those who are coming for the first time to Skill English, please don't forget to subscribe the channel Skill English and give your likes and useful comments. And those who are my old subscribers and my viewers, I once again thank you from my deep of my heart. So let's start this session and see when to use a particular preposition after the word die and what actually the meaning comes out. So let's focus on the board and see what it is. We use die of when we want to highlight a disease, like he died of cancer. Here the death is because of cancer. We are highlighting the disease which caused the death. Next, die from. Here we are highlighting the reason, like the man died from overeating. The man ate so much and for that the man died. So the man died from overeating, but he died of cancer. Next, die for. We use die for when we want to highlight a meaning of sacrifice. So the soldier died for his country. The soldier sacrificed his life for his country. Here the soldier sacrificed. So here the meaning is sacrifice for his country. Die by. Die by we use when we want to say by means of the death happened. See, my neighbor died by means of poison. So my neighbor died by poison. The last one, we use die in. We use in after the word die when we want to express a meaning of wish or desire of someone, or we also want to wish that someone's death happens that way. So let the old man die in peace. It's my wish, or it's our wish that the man die in peace. Also remember, we can use the man died in the year 1980. That's normal, which we use always, that before the name of the year we use in. So we have seen today that we can use of after die where we highlight a disease. We can use from after die when we are positioning the reason. Where we use for after die when we are highlighting sacrifice done by someone for something. We use by after die when we want to express by means of which the death happened. And finally we use in after die when we want to express the meaning of desire or wish of someone that the death happens that way. So I hope that today's session of this different set of preposition which we can use after the word die has been clearly understood by you all through this session. So if you have enjoyed this session, please don't forget to give your likes and thumbs up to the video. So I hope you have enjoyed this session, and from Skill English, in the coming time we'll upload another interesting session which will be a very useful session for all of you. Until next time, from Skill English, goodbye and have a nice time.